With C&H Auto Accessories coming from Grapevine, Texas. That's right, I am at the Keystone Big Show, and I'm here for one reason only. I'm here to find the newest products available, and I found a new product today. So come on over here. This is the Trail FX rolling hardcover. It's a canister cover with built-in T-slots. It does have a nice matte finish. Now this is a metal rolling cover with a 450-pound weight capacity, which it puts it at the top of the line for strength. Now this also has a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Now let's take a look at some of the features on here. If you look here, you can kind of see the seal here. Now if you notice, this is not a flush mount, but sits on the bed cap. Now there's benefits of having a cover sitting on top versus sitting in the side. For example, you have more clearance here. So if you're going to put something bigger, and maybe the height of the item you're putting in the bed sits very close to the height of the bed cap, this will not interfere with that. So this gives you a little bit more room in the bed here. So let's go ahead and show you how it opens up. It's pretty straightforward. I'm going to go, you got a left and a right. So wherever you're standing, passenger side or driver's side, you can open this. And why is that beneficial? If you pull off to the side of the highway and you got all the traffic on this side, you might want to swing around to the passenger side so you don't get hurt. So again, I pull this down. Now very easy. Now this does not have a retrainer, so you have to kind of give it a little push here to open it up here. Now if you look inside there, you can see how much room you got with the canister. Now it's very important. This actually has a small canister. And why is that important? Well, you can put more stuff in your bed. Now if you look over, you can see the drainage system for the left and right over there. And one thing I like about this one, they were showing me that the maintenance of the canister is a little easier. Basically this opens up, you do not have to unscrew it like some other ones. And if you got little leaves in there or any debris, very, very easy to clean. So I like that a whole lot. Now you do have a nice little strap here to pull it closed. Now, this is really good if you have a lifted truck. Now, a lot of times, some covers you have to open it from up here. And now, as you know, from my personal truck, I got a 6-inch lift, 37-inch tires, so sometimes it would be harder for me to reach. This here, if this is up, not a problem. I can open and close it. There you go, nothing to it. Now these racks on it, which by the way are sold separately, probably got a really nice setup. So for example, I have racks on mine. Sometimes I put tall items in my truck and I need to remove the racks. Well these, let's see, look at that. Now they do have a lock on these, so you can't secure them, so you don't have to worry about someone walking by and taking your racks. But if you need to take them off, as you can see, very straightforward. I like this setup. There you go. Very clean looking. I tell you, cosmetically, I think they did a great job. Now, the best part about this Trail FX rolling hardcover is probably the price. This is going to be a little bit less than some of its competitors, so you're going to save a little bit more money on here, and this is a great way to save money and spend the money on the racks or whatever you want. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm in Texas. That's right, I'm in Texas, and this is a new product that I have available very quickly. So when I get back to Florida, you say, you know what, Chris, you have sold me on it. How do I get that cover? Very easy. Call us. That's the way to do it. We'll find out what vehicle you have. We can drop it, ship anywhere in the country, or come to my store. We do have a store. We'll put it in for you, and we put a nice 1-year labor guarantee on everything we install. Plus, you get the 3-year manufacturer warranty. Thank you again. And again, I'm Chris at C&H. We're in Texas, and don't forget, like and subscribe.